Hello everyone, talk to you again. And today I'm in Carlisle, Ohio. I stopped over here on my way back from filming a steam train in Lebanon, Ohio. I was filming that small little number 85 that Gremlins travel around the country in. So right now I'm at a railroad crossing. It's got CSX and Norfolk Southern. You got the CSX line right there, and then right over to my right hand side you got the Norfolk Southern line right there. Let's see if we can catch a train over here. Which one do you think will come first? Norfolk Southern or CSX? Also have a small clip of the train I just filmed up in Lebanon. It's only 12 miles away from here, so it wasn't very far out of the way. Let's start the video, son. Here we go. All right, there you go. That was pretty cool. Hey, it's gonna be CSX first. I'm not surprised. Kind of expected that. It'll be a northbound CSX. Here it comes. Oh, that's a cool shot. Look at that. booking. Woo! I should have got the radar gizmo out for that. I wonder how fast they were going. Leave a comment below. That thing was really booking. It had a DPU, so that was pretty cool. I figured it probably would have one, since it only had one locomotive on the front and it was that long. It had to have a DPU on it. So I was over here with the Norfolk Southern on this side and the CSX on this side, and CSX shows up first. I was just getting ready to head up the road somewhere else because I was here for over an hour without a train. And finally that one came. And I'm still going to head up into downtown Carlisle, see if I can get something up there too. Ah, but wait, there's more! Ah, there always is. I guess you know what that means. We got another train coming. Back-to-back trains going northbound on CSX. So here it comes around the curve again. I heard them call it a signal, North Carlisle, on my scanner. I was thinking, what? We just had one go by. 2 in a row. Oh, steel coils. Sweet. Wow, that train was booking. Another one booking down through here. How fast do you think that one was going? And there was a lot of steel coils on the front. Then the last half of the train was empty. Wonder why that is. Usually the steel coils loaded go south, but that train was half loaded and it was going north. Can someone answer that below? Is it bad coils going back for some reason or what? I don't understand that. But anyways, thanks for watching. That was pretty cool. I'm going to head up to Carlisle, get a different spot. I don't think Norfolk Southern is going to be running anything through here today. Doesn't look like it. This Norfolk Southern track is not very busy, and they've got 2 tracks. Kind of hard to believe they need 2 tracks over there. You don't see very many of those trains. Usually when I'm up here, I'll be lucky if I get 1 Norfolk Southern train. I might get 2 if I get the local. But that's like spending 4 or 5 hours to get 1 or 2 trains on Norfolk Southern. Okay, let's go up to Carlisle. Hey, check this out. Right when I was getting ready to leave from over here, I hear on my scanner, L10 has a clear signal, Carlisle. So the Norfolk Southern line right there, that's what the L10 is on. That's gonna be a short local. It's gonna be coming from that way. Now I did hear something on the CSX line. There's the CSX line right there. I heard a train saying something about possibly stopping at Carlisle. So we might have one coming on both lines right now. Let's see what happens. The first one should be right here though. Nope, we got a CSX train coming. Wow. It's a southbound. That'd be cool if we got two trains at once, because Norfolk Southern's got a local coming. There's a CSX train. We got a Norfolk Southern train coming. Don't count these cars. Wow, was that cool or what? Two trains at the same time. Man, I was just getting ready to leave from over here too. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and head up to Carlisle. See if I can get anything up that way before I head home. That was pretty cool catching that train over here on Norfolk Southern. There's not a whole lot of action on that line. So that was a pretty good one for being a local. Thanks for watching. But wait, there is more. Of course there always is. Well, once again, I've come over here by this place in Carlisle. This is where the old connecting track was located, right here. That track is completely cut off now. It's abandoned. That used to connect the CSX line here, connected onto the DT&I line. Now the switch has been out for years and years. Hey, guess what? We got a train coming right now, son. Coming from that way right there. It's a northbound. So this ought to be interesting. They're coming out of the passing track. The last tram that I filmed going through here passed them right there. They're leaving double track and coming onto the single track. Wow, that looks cool. Looks like a runner down there. Wow, son, that was a good train there. Man, that was a long one. Had a DPU, they had everything on that train. Gosh. Everything plus the kitchen sink was on that one. Just about every kind of a railroad car you can think of. That was a good one there. Wow. Wow, check this out. All this stuff is still here. Well, most of it. We're missing the points and the frogs. Never mind. But look at that. Old abandoned track. I wonder how many years it's been since the train's been on that. Connected onto the Detroit, Toledo, and Ironton Railroad. The old DT&I right here connected into the CSX. Wouldn't mind having some of that equipment. That would look good over at my house. Switch has been gone for years. But wait, there's more, there always is. And I want to shout out to Liam, the Kentucky and Ohio Rail Fanner channel. That's Liam, and thanks for watching my videos, Liam. All right, here we go, finally. Wow, was that awesome or what? Man, they were booking. Woo. What is the hurry? That was a good one. They were headed towards Queensgate Yard in Cincinnati. This is on the Toledo sub, southbound. Yeah, that was pretty neat. Over here next to where that abandoned railroad siding comes off. Used to be a connecting track. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Had a good day up here on the railroad. If you have time, watch another video, because every view really helps my channel. I got playlists. I got steam trains, I got street running trains, short line railroads, all that kind of stuff. So if you have time, watch the video and subscribe. Here comes the pets and the slideshow. We'll see you later.